6:13 this morning. That cold front getting closer and closer, but again, a slow mover, and that's kind of the story. It is losing some of its strength. It is going to clear us, but notice how the temperature drop kind of becoming less and less impressive as it comes to the south. And I think most of the day our winds are going to be out of the northeast, which isn't quite as cold as due north, but is certainly a cooler direction than the south. So look for a gradual cooling trend today, but do look for cooler temperatures this afternoon than what we're going to be seeing in the late morning. Again, 7 a.m. model doing a good job so far, showing temperatures mainly in the low 70s. And I stop it at 7 a.m. because I think that's the earliest. In about an hour, we could see our first little showers starting to pop up. I think the better chance is going to be a little bit later in the morning. I think more lunchtime is a better opportunity for seeing showers. Notice at 11 a.m., not everybody's seeing rain, but the chance is there. And I do want you to notice that we may actually, before 11 a.m., see our temperatures reach the mid to upper 70s. But look at 11 a.m. how the temperature is already in the mid 60s in Rio Grande City. I think Starr County will be the coolest place in the valley today because you're going to get the front first. And notice how, in general, a little bit cooler in the upper valley this afternoon than the lower valley. We may hang out in the upper 70s for a while in places like Harlingen and Brownsville. This is at 3 o'clock this afternoon, but notice low 60s. Again, there's going to be more of a temperature spread today than usual in the valley. It may be in the upper 50s. This is kind of the model average. This is the model that seems to be doing the best. Again, don't take this to heart. This could fluctuate a little bit, but the general idea is that a gradual cooling trend is going to occur today. And then look at 7 o'clock this evening. Most of us will be in the mid to upper 50s with a little bit warmer near the coast. And notice still a chance of rain. It's going to be cloudy all day long, but not that windy. We're catching a break from the wind. If you want to know the best chance of rain, it's actually probably going to be kind of late tonight, 11 o'clock midnight. Notice still not everyone's seeing it, but again, with all the showers here and there throughout the day and tonight, many of us will end up seeing some rain. Many of us are not going to see much. Most are only going to see about 1/10 of an inch of rain, maybe a 1/4 inch. If it really overachieves, maybe a few spots, 1/2 inch, but that's about as best as we can hope for. And chilly for all by tonight. And tomorrow morning, a chilly start. It is not going to be muggy like this morning. We're going to be in the low to mid 50s, I think. Still a few leftover showers, mainly near the coast, but by 7 a.m., most of the rain is going to be over with. And I only think it's early tomorrow morning we're going to be dealing with showers. In the afternoon, we might get lucky and see a little bit of sun, a little bit, but because it's going to be cloudy much of the day, this model says low 60s. Some models are a little more optimistic at the sun coming out and are saying the low 70s actually. So we're going to go upper 60s for now for highs. But keep in mind, if it stays cloudy all day tomorrow, don't look for temperatures to rise very much. And notice today, in the low 70s, 8 a.m. and at noon, because though we'll briefly hit the upper 70s, we're going to start cooling down by noon. And then by 5 o'clock, as you're getting out of work, it's going to be in the low 60s. And notice a little better chance of rain at noon and 5 o'clock. Not a guarantee, but a 30% chance of seeing showers. Still a 30% chance at 8 o'clock. And by 8 o'clock, I think we'll be averaging upper 50s in the valley. And then tonight, not cooling down too much more, mainly hanging out in the mid 50s for quite some time. Cloudy skies, scattered showers, winds 10 to 15 miles per hour for tomorrow afternoon. Cloudy much of the day, maybe a little bit of sun in the afternoon, a few showers in the morning, dry in the afternoon, highs around 67.